Hello everyone, welcome back to all of you in this video. In this video, we drive Lagrangian equation of first kind. This is the most important topic according to exam point of view. Let's start. We assume that all constraints imposed on a system of particles are ideal. Constraint imposed on system of particles are ideal, so we use summation k1 to n rk vectors into my del rk vector equal to 0. This is my equation first. By possible acceleration mk into my wk vector equal to fk plus my rk vector, where mk mass of the kth particles, wk acceleration, fk effective force and rk force of reactions. Now we calculate and derive equation for rk force of reaction. Now by virtual displacement of particle of a system are, so we have two equations from virtual displacement. First is summation k1 to n curly f alpha upon curly rk vector into my del rk equal to 0. It's equation 3, where alpha going 1 to d, and summation k1 to n l beta k vector into my del rk vector equal to 0. This is my equation 4, and beta going 1 to g. Now we multiply equation 3 by minus k del alpha and equation 4 by minus k mu beta, then adding equation 3 and 4, and after adding we subtract equation 3 and 4 from equation 1 and we get value of rk. So multiplying equation 3 by minus k lambda alpha and 4 by minus k mu beta, minus k mu alpha and mu beta both are scalars, arbitrary scalars. Then subtracting from equation 1 we get, after multiply and adding equation 3 and 4 we get minus summation k1 to n lambda alpha curly f alpha upon curly rk into my del rk minus summation k1 to n l beta k into my mu beta del rk vector equal to 0. Now after subtracting from equation 1 we get summation k1 to n rk vector minus में summation alpha 1 to d lambda alpha curly f alpha upon curly rk vector minus summation beta 1 to g mu beta l beta k vector into my del rk by taking common summation and lambda del l rk. So summation k1 to n and del rk common in both, so we take common equal to 0. Equation 5. In Cartesian coordinates, it means rk shows x direction, y direction, z direction. Rk is the position vector. Now in Cartesian coordinates, k going 1 to n rk x minus alpha summation alpha 1 to d curly f alpha upon curly x k lambda alpha minus में beta 1 to g mu beta a b k. We use एल बीटा के वेक्टर इन कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट ए बी सी, यानी कि इट मीन्स एल बीटा के इक्वल टू ए आई बी जे प्लस सी के वेक्टर एंड प्लस के 1 to n आर के वाई माइनस समेशन अल्फा 1 to d लैम्डा अल्फा करली एफ अल्फा अपॉन करली वाई के माइनस समेशन बीटा 1 to g म्यू बीटा बी के डेल वाई के प्लस समीशन के 1 to n आर के जेड माइनस समीशन अल्फा 1 to d लैम्डा अल्फा करली एफ अल्फा अपॉन करली जेड के माइनस समीशन बीटा 1 to g म्यू बीटा सी बीटा के इनटू में डेल आर के इक्वल टू 0. दिस इज द कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन. सो आफ्टर वी गेट आर के एक्स माइनस समीशन अल्फा 1 to d लैम्डा अल्फा करली एफ अल्फा अपॉन करली डेल एक्स के माइनस समीशन बीटा 1 to g म्यू बीटा ए बी के इक्वल टू 0 एंड आर के वाई माइनस के समीशन अल्फा 1 to d लैम्डा अल्फा करली एफ अल्फा अपॉन करली वाई के माइनस समीशन बीटा 1 to g म्यू बीटा बी बीटा के इक्वल टू 0 एंड आर के जेड माइनस समीशन अल्फा 1 to d लैम्डा अल्फा करली एफ अल्फा अपॉन करली जेड के माइनस समीशन बीटा 1 to g म्यू बीटा सी बीटा के इक्वल टू 0. बिकॉज and del xk and del yk and del zk are the arbitrary constants. So this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0. So from equation 5 we have equation 5 this. So del rk is arbitrary constant, so this is equal to 0, so this equation is equal to 0. Now we get from equation 5 rk vector minus my summation alpha 1 to d lambda alpha curly f alpha upon curly rk vector minus summation beta 1 to g mu beta l beta k vector equal to 0. Now these value going to here, so we get rk equal to summation alpha 1 to d lambda alpha curly f alpha upon curly rk plus summation beta 1 to g mu beta l beta k vector. This is equation 6 and we get the value of rk. This is the general expression for reaction forces of ideal constraint. So putting the value of rk in equation mk wk vector equal to fk vector plus my rk vector. So putting these value of rk in this equation we get mk wk vector equal to fk vector plus में summation alpha 1 to d lambda alpha curly f alpha upon curly rk plus beta 1 to g mu beta l beta k. This is our equation star and this is the Lagrangian equation of first kind. So if you have any doubt then comment, and this is the most important topic according to exam point of view because this question repeats many times and 99% chance to come in exam. If have any doubt then going to comment. So welcome to all of you.